Hi, we're bush camping in Broome at the moment, and I'm going to do a really quick easy dessert on the campfire, and equally you can do this at home in the oven, and it's a dump cake. So here we go. This is how quick it is. So biscuits, condensed milk, apples. It's going to be an apple caramel dump cake. This bit in with the chocolate, caramel chocolate. Got a little bit too much there, so one for me. On with a vanilla cake mix, just sprinkle it over. Butter, oh, it's already melting in the heat. Milk, best of all, a bit of red wine. On goes the lid, and it cooks in the coals for about half an hour. So I'll show it to you when it comes out. Cheers, guys.